to my YouTube channel Bhutta Vlogs 18. So friends, in today's video we will see about personal injury layer, and so we should start. In this video we will see that injured an accident caused by someone's negligence. Contact a personal injury lawyer at Manila for a free consultation. For more than 60 years, the personal injury lawyers at Manila have built a reputation as national leaders in personal injury law. Our results speak for themselves. We have won millions of dollars in settlements and verdicts for our clients, and this is the review you are seeing. That next we will see, do I need personal injury lawyer? And for this question we will see, as injury the injured victim, you may be able to bring a lawsuit against negligent party to obtain maximum compensation for your injury. Unfortunately, you will likely face legal hurdles. Without a personal injury lawyer on your side, many victims of car crashes, truck accidents, work accidents, and defective products never get the total compensation they are entitled to when handling the claim on their own. The legal process can be confusing, and insurance companies profit by settling for a little as why possible. As an injury victim, you may be concerned about paying your current medical bills, especially if you are missing a lot of time from work. So a quick settlement from the insurance company can solve that problem instantly. But what about any future expenses? What settlement, loss of earning potential, or property damage? At Manale Law, we can work to make sure you cover all your damages. A personal injury lawyer can not only protect your rights and get you the compensation you deserve, but we can their duties. What they can do for you is here. The first one is discover who is at fault for your injury. Many serious accidents involve multiple parties who can be held responsible for your accident. For example, not only can you hold a truck driver responsible for your injuries, but you may also hold the trucking company or third party carrier responsible. The more parties involved in the accident, the more complex a claim can be. Next is estimate how much your claim is worth. The initial settlement you receive from the insurance company generally does not cover all your expenses following an accident. That's because the adjuster is trying to settle your claim with the least amount of money the insurance company is willing to pay. Next we will see, negotiate with the insurance company. The insurance company will do whatever it can not to pay the full amount. You will need strong in negotiating team to help you with settlement. Represent you in court. This is the point. settlement can not be reached, you will need aggressive trial team to represent you in the courtroom. All our attorneys have experience in courtroom and will fight on your behalf. So friends, for these type of videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, click the bell icon.